Hey guys, it's Melanie. I think that I am putting this video up just as like a bonus video for those that are interested. So I have a little skincare haul to share with you guys. I'm feeling a little guilty about this because I had actually put myself on a skincare, like very low to no buy because I have a lot of skincare. And one of the things that was my goal for this year was to get through a little bit more of my skincare backup stash, which I keep in the closet back here. And, once I whittle that down, I would start kind of buying the way that I normally buy skincare, which is probably pretty excessively. However, there were a couple of deals that came up that I just honestly couldn't pass up. And so I thought I'd go ahead and just share the stuff that I picked up, and also just to be forthcoming with you guys that while I almost made it to April, it didn't quite get there. But originally, January, February, and all of March were supposed to be skincare, basically no buys, unless I ran out of something that I needed. But with the amount of skincare that I have, I could have just replaced it with something else and it would have been fine. But anyway, sorry to myself. Not to you guys, but I do want to be honest and just let you know when I fall off the wagon. And, well, I fell off the wagon. However, couple things that I wanted to notify you guys about, because there are some really good sales happening right now that I think are just really good deals. The first is that, and I just placed this order now right before coming upstairs to film this video, Paula's Choice is currently having a 20% off site on their sale. And I wanted to get this video up because it does include their new 20% niacinamide. That video I think will either have gone up today or tomorrow. I don't know when I'm going to upload this as a bonus video, but I'm pretty sure the sale will be happening for at least a couple days. Plus, they are doing shipping, free shipping at any price point right now, I think. So I ordered myself another bottle of the 20% niacinamide. It was under $40 with the sale, and it, like I said, it was free shipping. Plus, Rakuten. If you're not using Rakuten, you really should be, especially if you're online shopping right now. I usually at least minimum get like $100 or $150 back from Rakuten on a quarterly basis just by doing my shopping through there. Not only do they provide you with a lot of coupon codes that you can't find on other websites, but you get cash back, a certain percentage, obviously based on your entire order. So I'll also be getting 7% cash back from that Paula's Choice order as well. So, and then they just send you, well, I just have it put into my PayPal, but they can also send you a check, or oftentimes they even let you buy gift cards where they like boost your cash back by a certain percentage as well. Just use Rakuten. If you're not using it, it is like one of the easiest things that you can do. You basically just shop through the website. So search for the store name and then click through. Or what I have just done at this point is install their browser app thing. So whenever I'm shopping on a website that is affiliated with Rakuten, it will let me know, and I just push the activate cash back button and then it automatically does it for me. It's the easiest thing ever. I'll put a link down below. Do it if you're not doing that. Anyway, so I got my cash back and I've got my my very precious, and I've missed it since I've run out of it, my 20% niacinamide coming my way. Also, and I could not believe this deal, but BIOSSANCE via their website, and I'm gonna put links down below for everything, so the information will all be done there. BIOSSANCE has their 100% Squalane Oil on sale for $22. That's right, 22 bucks, man. Really good deal, because normally it's like 30. Oh, and I just ripped the thing. Oh, gosh darn it. Why is this so hard? Anyway, I just opened my backup bottle, but now I have another backup. I live for this stuff. I think it's the best squalane oil that there is. This one is made from sugarcane, I believe. I think it's sugarcane. Yeah. It's just, it's amazing. If you have never used squalane oil, it absorbs into my skin so quickly. It is one of the nicest hydrators. I can put it on dry patches in the morning. Like if I'm using tretinoin, and sometimes I'll get a little dry around my nose. I'll just use a little tiny bit in that area. I use it on my lips. I will put it on the ends of my hair as like a deep conditioning treatment. It is amazing. And it's $22. This thing is huge. It's 3.38 fluid ounces. So get this, especially when it's on sale for 22 bucks. I talk about it all the time. There's a sale. Snag it up. I heard Penny from Pensma Skincare talking about this. She raves about this particular product, so I wanted to give it a try. This does have snail mucus filtrate in it, which intrigues me because you guys know I love the CosRX snail mucin, and so she said that this is really, really good. So this is the Sculpla H2 Promoter Repair Cell Cream. So I'm going to be testing that out. This is a cruelty-free company. They say not tested on animals. So I'll put a link down below for this as well. I'm very excited to try it. The container is beautiful. So anyway, we're going to give this the old college try. I'll let you guys know how it does. Oh, and it comes with a little scoop. Oh, I like that. Okay, that's good. Nice little scoop so that you're not sticking your fingers in there. I think all brands that sell their products in giant tubs like that should at least include a scoop. Although I do wish this was in an airless pump. That's just a little preference. And then lastly, the last skincare, there's quite a bit of skincare in this, but so I follow TrendMood. I'm sure like most of you guys do on Instagram, and TrendMood has started putting out these boxes of various products combined together, and they released a box that had just a ton of Ole Henriksen products in it. And I have used several Ole Henriksen products in the past, and I was really intrigued with everything that they were putting in this particular box. So it's kind of complicated how you like have to go about ordering it. Like they will send you a link and you can only shop via the link, and you basically have to get the box as soon as it's released. Otherwise they sell out immediately, because admittedly it's a pretty good deal. So I think I paid either $58 or $59 for this box here. So here it is. I don't want to like show you guys my address. So there's the TrendMood box. And let me show you guys what came inside of it. So this was actually, oops, sorry. Hi, Lisa, how are you? This was the release for, I think, the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum from Ole Henriksen. So they released it in this box. So pretty cool of her to get that release, but there it is. All right, let's go through what is in here. I'm really excited about every single one of these products. So, and you'll see this was like, this was just too good for me to pass up. I've tried getting some of the other boxes that were released, and I wasn't able to get through to get them. They just sold out that quickly. But this one, I was on top of it. Like as soon as it was released, I was sitting at my computer and I hit add to cart and immediately checked out. So in here comes the Glow 2O Dark Spot Toner. This is supposed to target dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. Skin texture with high potency AHAs. Really excited about this. So there's that. I believe most of these products are now available at obviously the Ole Henriksen website, but then you guys know it's also sold at Sephora. So I'll try to link these individually down below. So I'm just gonna, so you can see it's a toner. It's a toner essentially. So I'll definitely be incorporating that because I love me some chemical exfoliants. Also in here, I'm really excited about this, and I'm excited to put all of this recycling away. This is the Cold Plunge pore mask. Deeply purify your pores and reduce oil with clay and snow lotus extract. Specifically for oily and combination skin. Ting. That's what I have. So we'll do a mask Monday with this. Honestly, this box for $59 was such a good deal, you guys. There was no way I was going to pass it up. I didn't have to get these other things, but there was no way I was passing up this box. No buy or not. So anyway, here's the mask. I guess I don't have to take these out, but anyway. And then here is the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. So this is supposed to firm, hydrate, and instantly illuminate. This has 15% vitamin C, 5% PHAs, and hyaluronic acid. Raffinate, sorry, that's a different language. I believe that's French. What kind of vitamin C is in here is my question. Oh, look, you can open it at the bottom and then, ooh, what is this? Ooh, there's a sample of their Sea Rush Brightening Cream, a gel cream. Ooh, I bet that's a nice texture. So that's in there. All right, let's look at the ingredients. I did not look at the ingredients before. So this Powerhouse Brightening Serum with a 20% acid blend, 15% vitamin C. Okay, where are the ingredients? Am I missing them? What am I missing? Okay. Ethyl ascorbic acid. Okay. This also has orange peel oil in it, orange fruit extract, sunflower seed oil, panthenol. I'm intrigued. Ascorbic acid. Yeah, I'm excited to put this on my face. What else do we have? We have the Banana Bright Face Primer. Instantly illuminates, hydrates, and improves foundation wear all day with vitamin C. Ooh. Always curious about primers. Oh, I like the packaging of this. That's nice. Perfect. And then the very last thing that was in the box was the Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is something that I actually have had my eyes on for a little while, but just never picked up. So I'm glad I didn't because I got it in this box. So this is supposed to, this has vitamin C and collagen in it. It's supposed to brighten, hydrate, and age defy. I'll take it. Take some age defying. So yeah, you guys, this was such an incredible deal for the price. So that's why I bid on that. Anyway, that's what I have for you guys now. So I think I'm going to, well, it's still going to be a low buy going forward in terms of skincare, to be perfectly honest. There's some things, I know that Sephora will be having a sale in April. I think they're still going to do it. I don't know. But there's supposed to be a sale in April, and there's a couple of skincare items that I need to pick up from Foreo because it's cleaning. It's drying. I got the Foreo UFO via Octoly. So there's a couple masks that I want to pick up to be able to test out for you guys for that device. So those are in my cart already. But other than that, I'm planning on slowing my roll again a little bit here when it comes to skincare purchases. So anyway, that's what I have for you guys. I just thought I'd go ahead and share. I really wanted you guys to know about the 20% off sale at Sephora, and I wanted you guys to know about this because those are two products that I talk about all the time. I know that they are at a higher price point, and since there's a sale, I wanted you guys to be aware. The TrendMood box, this particular one, has sold out, so there's no way to get that, but you can get these products individually if you're interested in it. So I'll link the products individually down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch today, and make sure that you are shopping through Rakuten, especially right now since most of us have to do our shopping online. So, all right, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.